students, this is week 13. Today, you are going to learn about how you can present numerical data. This is a part of presentation. So until last week, you guys learned how to make an effective and more useful business presentation. So as I told you, you should include one issue, one page, one content, one page, right? But instead of having a lot of bullets and number of main text, which one is more effective? As I told you, one picture or one visual image, one chart or one graph is better than having a lot of lines or text. That is the key point. So to some sense, presenting good number and data will be the most effective and reliable presentation that you can do for your success of your business. So today, you are going to learn how you can present numerical data in business presentation. So if you know how to present numerical data, and if you know some language expressions and points for presenting numerical data, the success of your business presentation will come closer to you. So let's learn about the contents. Here is the outline for your good organization of this presentation. First content is language points and expressions. So when your professor presents some language points and expressions for you, don't forget to repeat again and again and practice with me. If you don't practice and repeat with me, your English will not improve. So please repeat after me, okay? And also, after learning some expressions, language expressions for reading numbers and graphs, you may be able to present good numbers and graphs and charts for your real business presentation. So after completing this course, the course objectives are like this. Let's read it. Students will be able to understand how to read and present numerical data and figures. And you can express numerical data and figures, and also you apply the knowledge about language points and expressions for reading numbers into your own business presentation. So, students, are you ready to learn? Then click and move on. So, at this first period, you are going to learn about language points and good expressions for presenting numerical data. So, as I told you, you should open up your mouth and try to practice with me. Are you ready to go? Then click and move on. So when you present your numerical data and figures, as textbook page 151 says, with your red pen, so please underline and read it together. Use proper expressions when deal with various material data. Then, it will be one important aspect of an effective presentation. So using proper expressions, please underline. Next, consider the following order when presenting numbers and figures. So this means when you present some numbers and figures and data and charts, there are some logical sequence and order. So please underline. Consider the order presenting numbers and figures. This means as I teach you some important order of presenting numbers and figures, you should follow it. Ready? Then click and move on. Step 1. Let's read it. Go. Introduce the subject of the graph. Underline here. Introduce the subject of the graph. Subject means the title. Topic. As I told you, each graph and chart has one topic, one chart, one important topic and issue. So when you introduce the subject of the graph or pie chart, you can introduce together with pointing out the type of the graph. For example, this bar graph shows the annual income of the accountant, like this. So, or you can say, this line graph shows the annual increase of the income compared to 2000, blah, blah. Like this, you can mention some name of graph or chart with the subject of the title. What is the subject? Subject means title, topic. So let's practice some lines here together. Ready? Let's read it together. Ready? Go. This graph shows blah, blah. This pie chart represents blah, blah. This is best expression. And next, let's read it together. This graph is about the rate of students double majoring at University D from 2013 to 2014. Like this, what is the subject here? Underline. The rate of students double majoring. The rate of students double majoring. This is the subject or title. Like this, mentioning subject or title, you can say the types of graph or chart together. Then move on, click.